In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to solve this question. So you can see an aeroplane lands on the runway with a velocity of 50 meters per second and decelerates at 10 ms minus 2 to a velocity of 20 ms minus 1. So we are asked to find the distance traveled on the runway. So how to start to solve this question? Well, since there is no time is mentioned, so we can use the equations of motion v squared is equals u squared plus 2as. And since the initial and the final velocity are given, so you can see that the initial velocity would be 50 meters per second and the final velocity would be 20 meters per second. So they are both given, and you can see that also you have the deceleration. So you can see that the deceleration would be 10 ms minus 2, and this would be a minus sign. The minus sign indicates the deceleration, so you can apply directly to the equation. Let's say this equation number 1, and you can directly plug these values into the equation number 1, and when you do that, you will get something like v squared is 20 squared, and you have 50 squared as u squared, and you have 2 times 10, and also let's say s as the distance traveled on the runway. And when you when you actually when you actually simplify these values, you will get something like 400 is equals to 2500 minus 20 times s, and then you can simplify and find the s value for the s. So that will be 105 meters. So the distance traveled on the runway would be 105 meters.